Hello friend, this is our multifunctional creasing, perforating and cutting machine. The model number is 660E. This is electric model. Now let me show you how to use this machine. This is Windows. This is a blade for perforating. This is for single creasing. This is pressure rollers to press paper. And this is double creasing. It can make 4 lines, 2 up and 2 down. This is creasing also, pressure roller. And this is the table to collect the paper. This is limiting block. On this is limiting block to insert the paper, and this on-off button. This is adjust the speed. You can adjust the speed from 10 meter each minute to max the 100 millimeters each minute. And on the top side, this is adjust the blade gap to suitable for different thickness of paper. We can adjust this. It left and right side to adjust the depth of paper. Now let me show you to working. First on off. You can see the speed is fast and low. Fast. This is perforating, single crease, and 4 lines for creasing. This is perforating. You can take it very easily. And this is a single crease. Single crease. And this is a double. This is for books used. When we binding books with glue, we need to, if the cover is thick, we need to press it first. Now it's like this. Open the book easily for pressing cover. And if you want to do it more bleed, it's about to customize. Okay, now finish.